For many Filipinos, owning a bakery is a dream. The smell of warm bread, the craft of pastries, and the chance to serve the community make it appealing. But passion alone isn't enough. To succeed, you need planning, compliance, and systems that support growth. The food and beverage industry is highly competitive in cities like Makati, Quezon City, and Cebu. Bakeries and cafes are constantly innovating, which means you need more than good bread. A clear concept and well-managed operations are essential. Step 1, research and define your concept. Before buying equipment, study your target customers. Are you selling daily loaves for families, grab-and-go snacks for office workers, or indulgent desserts for the cafe crowd? Your concept should match your market and location. Bakeries in office areas may do better with quick service, while residential areas can support cafe-style shops. Stay flexible. One new product idea might open a fresh market segment. Step 2, handle permits and legal requirements. Register your business with DTI or SEC, then secure Barangay Clearance, a mayor's permit, and BIR registration. You'll also need sanitary permits and health certificates for staff. These documents ensure smooth operations and build trust with customers. Step 3, set up your store and operations. Your layout should allow staff to move efficiently from preparation to service. Invest in essentials: ovens, mixers, refrigeration, and attractive display cabinets. A modern POS system is also key. It manages sales, inventory, and even promotions, helping you stay organized. Don't forget staffing. Skilled bakers, baristas, and counter staff create a positive customer experience. Step 4, develop menu, pricing, and marketing balance creativity with profitability. Everyday staples bring steady sales, while signature or seasonal items boost margins. Set prices carefully to cover ingredients and labor. Then market your bakery with soft launches and creative social media storytelling.